Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the lecture. In this lecture, we have to explain some fundamental identities or formula. The formula are given: a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. And second one is a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. Now I want to solve some practice problem on these identities. First example is given that a plus b, if a plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b is equal to 3, then find the value of a square plus b square and ab. So given that a plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b is equal to 3, now we have to find the value of a square plus b square. We use the formula a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. Now substitute the value of a plus b is equal to 7 and a minus b is equal to 3. We get 7 whole square, replacing a plus b, replacing a plus b, by 7 and a minus b by 3. So the expression becomes 7 whole square plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. 7 whole square is equal to 49 and 3 whole square is equal to 3. So uh, this step becomes 49 plus 9 is equal to 58 is equal to 2 times a square plus b square. Now dividing both sides by 2, we get 29 is equal to a square plus b square. Now we have to find the value of ab. Now again we know that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4 times ab. Now replacing the value of a plus b which is equal to 7 and the value of a minus b which is 3. So 7 whole square is equal to 49 and 3 whole square uh, become 9. So 49 minus 9 become 40. So the if we divide both sides by 4, 40 becomes 10 and 4ab become ab. So ab is equal to 10 and a square plus b square in the last section is equal to 29. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel.